And now you can take these and they just lock right on here, just like that. So those work really well. And one other thing I like is almost all these flap disc ones already have the shaft right on it, so they're just ready to go. And they really move a lot of material quickly too, so I do like that. Now something else that's in here is this set here of little wire wheels. So if you're trying to clean up some rusty metal or something like that, or get into a tight area, these are designed to go into a quick disconnect or a drill gun. You just slide them in here. Tighten it up, and then that's ready to go. I mean, you can see what it's doing to the wood. So if you have that on some metal, you could clean up some rust. You also have this kind here, but you can see how quickly I can go back and forth because most of these have the shaft. The only ones that don't are these, but those are quick as well because you just take this bit here, pop this off, grab another one, pop it on. So very easy to change between bits depending on what you're doing. So once again, another metal wire brush option here. And then it comes with this bigger one as well. Today I'm looking at this large box of different bits to put on a drill gun. Whether you're doing some rough sanding, these are not really pads, but they're not hard either, but they're pretty hard. But they'll really remove some material fast. You also have these flap disc, some bigger ones, other grits of that stuff there, some more flap disc here, real small ones. So you have a real good variety of sanding opportunities here. Another bag of different sizes as well. And then you have some cone-shaped ones. So if you're sanding inside a hole or something like that, this can get down in that hole and clean it up. So that's a very unique, but definitely really handy as well. And it comes with the unit you need to hook those other pads on as well, which is good. So you have this here, and it comes with several spare shafts. This one's designed to go into a quick disconnect, which is great. And these are designed to go into a regular drill. So you just screw that on there like that. We'll put this in here. So hopefully this helps you out and shows you what comes in here, but really it's a very nice kit. If you're doing different types of sanding and stuff, you just need a few varieties of things. This is the way to go because it has so many different options in here for you. So I really appreciate that. I want to thank these guys. They were nice enough to send these out to me and do this review, unboxing, kind of show you what comes in here. I'm always doing something in the workshop here, whether it's working on a vehicle or in the wood shop. So all of these are going to come in handy. If you're doing touch-up work on a car and you got to sand the paint down, do some work, these come in great for that. So a huge option of sanding things here that are really good for multiple situations. So like I said, these guys were nice enough to send this set out to me so I could review it and tell you what I think, and I give it 2 thumbs up. I do use these type of things already, so having more of them for spares is just fantastic, and it's a good deal as well. So there you go. But if you are thinking about ordering these, don't hesitate. They seem to work really well, and but if you click that order button, now you know what you're going to get.